Space, which appears completely black and empty, is actually full of things that we can neither hear nor easily understand. NASA's probes have recorded such strange sounds in space that after hearing them, people are left stunned. Around 44 years ago, in September 1977, NASA launched a space probe toward interstellar space. This probe is known as Voyager 1. For the past 44 years, it has remained in constant contact with NASA's base station. Voyager 1 was sent on a mission with no hope of ever returning. It is traveling through deep space at a speed of 3,790 miles per hour. And right now, it is floating far away in the darkness of space, sending us information about our solar system and the universe. This region of space is called interstellar space. In 2012, as soon as Voyager 1 entered interstellar space, one day NASA scientists received such a signal from Voyager 1 that made everyone's hair stand on end. When this signal was decoded, it contained such bizarre sounds that Voyager 1 had recorded millions of kilometers away in the depths of space. What was that thing whose sound sent shivers down the scientists' spines? This sound was recorded about 8.7 billion miles away from Earth, and it was such a sound that did not seem to stop or even decrease. Scientists waited for many days, but the sound didn't end, nor did it weaken. Soon, 1 year passed, then the second year, and then after 3 whole years, finally some decrease in the intensity of this strange sound was noticed. This was the longest sound ever recorded in Voyager 1's 44-year history, which had robbed the scientists of their sleep. But apart from this sound, there was another thing continuously troubling the scientists. Yes, the point where Voyager 1 had recorded this sound for the first time. 3 years later, it had traveled 993 million miles away from that point. Yet, the sound was exactly the same. 993 million miles means a distance equal to Earth to Moon, 4,000 times round trip. The fact that this sound was spreading across such a great distance had left even top researchers and scientists baffled. At one point, it was confirmed that outside our solar system, some mysterious force surely exists that is creating this sound. But then again, there is no sound in space. So how was it recorded? The reality is that in space, during a spacewalk, even if there is an explosion right beside the astronauts, it will be seen but not heard. Because for sound to reach our ears, it needs air and atmosphere, both of which do not exist in space. That is why sound waves cannot travel in space. But electromagnetic waves can travel through space very easily. Of course, our ears cannot hear them, but Voyager 1 recorded these waves and sent them to Earth so that we could decode them. This was the mysterious sound that Voyager 1 sent from interstellar space. Some scientists say that this sound came from plasma waves present in space, while others say that deep space surely has some forces whose energy creates such sounds. What those forces are, and why their energy releases sound, that is still beyond human understanding. Voyager 1 captures these waves through its antenna, converts them into radio signals, and then transmits them back to Earth. Even though this message travels at the speed of light, it still takes 21 hours to reach NASA's antennas on Earth. This was not the first time Voyager 1 had sent us a strange sound. Even before this, NASA had successfully recorded many mysterious sounds from space. In 2007, there was another such incident that shocked scientists. That time, they received such signals in space that were in no way normal. Suddenly, some strange sounds started coming, which would rise in just a second. Hearing them felt as if some alien warship was trying to attack Voyager with a laser beam. These recorded sounds, which were called fast radio bursts, were so strange that after hearing them, scientists confirmed one thing The more we try to know about deep space, the more we get entangled in questions. Researchers believe these radio bursts could be the result of black holes or supernova explosions millions of light years away. Some researchers even think that aliens, far more advanced than us, use these radio bursts to charge their spaceships, and maybe some of those bursts collided with our space probe. But the true reality of this strange sound is still unknown. These were the sounds that NASA officially published from interstellar space, without any editing. But for recording mysterious sounds, we don't always have to go so far. Even from our own solar system, NASA has recorded many strange and eerie sounds. Voyager 2, which NASA launched to research the planets of our solar system, also recorded many sounds that worried the entire world. For example, from Jupiter's moon Ganymede, NASA recorded this sound, which is truly hair-raising. Astronomers believe that this sound came from electromagnetic waves that create polar lights. Just like auroras appear in Earth's skies, similarly polar lights are formed on Jupiter and Ganymede. And it's possible that the sound you just heard was the converted sound of these auroras on Ganymede. All the strange sounds you have heard till now were officially published by NASA itself, and no editing was done in them. Saturn, which is also a planet in our solar system, from there too, NASA recorded some strange sounds. Some scientists believe that this sound was actually from solar lights present on Saturn, which the spacecraft converted through radio waves and sent. Voyager 1, which for the past 44 years has been continuously sending us photos and information from outer space. Sadly, the truth is that very soon we are going to lose it forever. NASA says that Voyager 1 has only so much power left that it can stay in contact with us for just 1 or 2 more years. After that, we will only be left with its memories and pictures.